Malaysia Airlines flight MH370
carrying 239 people bound for Beijing is missing.
In 1 week.
For months now.
A year later,
that it has completely disappeared.
At the moment, we have no idea where this aircraft is right now.
all communication from the plane ceased.
It's a modern airliner full of people can just disappear, disappear, disappear.
U.S. counterterrorism officials are pursuing the possibility that a pilot or someone else on board the plane may have diverted it toward an undisclosed location.
Flight MH370 ended in the southern Indian Ocean.
That Flight 370 went down in the Indian Ocean and all 239 people on board are dead.
Scott, relatives are reacting with horror and disbelief.
We miss him.
每当看到他叫别人爸爸的时候，
共产党万岁！社会主义好！
And the captain was from the island of Penang.
Starting here, the place where the flight drops off civilian radar and does a U-turn, a kind of no man's land between air traffic controllers.
Someone was taking a long, emotional look at Penang.
That whatever happened on board was a, quote, deliberate action. He says the aircraft communication systems were intentionally disabled, actions of a rogue pilot. The pilot who allegedly brought the jet down deliberately with 149 other people on board.
The 777 has many backup systems for its electricals. So even if it all failed, then there's a battery that's connected to the captain's instruments and one of the radios. So a radio call could have been made.
Pilots will tell you it's not easy to disable the onboard communications. Most pilots are saying they wouldn't even know how to disable all of them. So that's an interesting point also.
There was someone in the cockpit. And if that was the case, why were there no radio calls?
Then the military must have been viewing it at that stage as a rogue aircraft. It was clearly a risk. Well, I suppose that it's been shot down.
Really?
Well, you know, there are plans to do these things. They must have thought that this was a rogue aircraft because it was out of contact, and they had no means of speaking to it. Now, when that happens, you have to take the appropriate precautions.